Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to PEPE update. And it does look like PEPE is green once again, the Chinese PEPE, and we made the video 3 days ago, I guess, and I explained multiple times actually that this is a golden opportunity. You know, you have your touch here, you moved up again, and then you came down in the very same place. You actually ended up coming and touching that line once again. So it has been a very good buying opportunity. Now, not only do I say a good buying opportunity, but in here I actually did buy it and I ended up having a 45 USDT right now. So I'm actually up like 9.18% at the moment on the private as well. Members are actually enjoying that one. And not only did I take it, but I told you in the videos and I said, yes, this is to me just one of those trades where I rarely ever fail with this one, and it actually turned out to be very true. So that was good. Whoever actually traded it, that was an incredible thing. We actually took our entry absolutely at the bottom here to 10,200, and you can see that from the 10,200 department, I think we're already up like we're nearly 15% up, and also yesterday 17% up. But there's chances that we get 38%. There's chances we get 38%. So there's one resistance line that I particularly think that, you know, PEPE is going to come and touch, and that is this one right over here. So I'm just going to take the brush, and you have the one touch, the second touch, and probably come up here and make another touch. If you break above, good, you're coming up here, right? But however, if you're not going to be able to do that, that's going to be a little bit of a problem right there. So we're still good, we're still awesome, and Bitcoin is also awesome at the same time. So yes, another thing is that you also have a falling wedge. Okay, you have this one big huge falling wedge right over here. So you're going all the way to the downside, and that actually does look like a wedge that you have to keep in mind that can actually come in handy as well. So if you do break above the falling wedge itself, you go up, you break above, you actually start to go all the way to the upside. So there are two technical targets, what I'm trying to say. So the number one is going to be up to this line right here, which is actually 14,000, right? And then if you break above that line, you actually continue all the way. I'm just going to clear the screen so that things are a little bit messed up here. All right, so let's do it again. Okay, so again, take the brush, you come up here, 14,000, that's the very first technical target. I do believe you're going to actually break above the wedge and go up here. And then the second one is, if I do zoom out, you have, just like you have the demand box right down over here, you have the supply box right up here. So you break above and then you go all the way up here, and that's going to be nearly 21,000 level. And that's going to be almost like a 90% move to the upside from where we're talking about. So two targets, here they are, and that's pretty much it for the update on PEPE. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.